Wise buyer. I got one of this. Let's go. Jonghan X Wono first single album, This Man. I'll get this instead of this one because this one is cheaper and one cook lang siya. Ito kasi masyado siyang marami. I'll bring it back. Yeah. I'm so proud of myself because I'm being so wise. Wise buyer. I got one of this. Wala silang outside. That's the downside. Downside. Did I forget something? Milk. Oatmeal. One of this one. This one. I think these are enough. I'll pay for this. So, hi guys! I'm back here and nanonood ako ng K-drama kanina bago ako umalis. So, I think ko-continue ko lang manood while eating my siomai. Look at this. Oh my god, so sarap. Pero alam kong kulang yung chili garlic dahil sobrang ma-chili garlic akong tao. And this one is my drink. Oh my god. So refreshing guys, lalo na mainit sa labas. Kain lang ako while watching the K-drama na pinapanood ko. Oh my god! Ano yung bisitang darating pag chopstick yung nalalaglag? Sagutin niyo yan guys. Oh my god, this is so sarap guys. Oh my god, like, is this Tagalog? Ang sarap. The best talaga yung siomai dun sa labasan. Anyways guys, manonood na. Down to 3. Sobrang sarap talaga guys. Namiss ko talaga to guys. Ang sarap.
야 이거는
I'm done eating and inaantay ko na lang yung friends ko para makapag-play kami because maglalaro kami ng Valorant and then that's it. I think I can't do the walk dahil nag-walk na rin naman na ako. At least I do the walk. Pero, ayun nga, hindi feeling ko din ako makapag-walk. But let's see. But I don't think I can. Hi guys, so maglalaro lang ako ng one game and then later after this game, mag-walk ako. Yes, I think mag-walk ako. After this one game, mag-play lang kami ng Valorant. So right now, I'm making practice. Look at it. Just making practice of Valorant before I play. Just so you know, kahit mabigat ako. Diba? Just nagpa-practice ako before the match. Anyways, let's go. Let's play Valorant. Parang mas okay if nakikita nyo kung paano ako maglaro. So, I'll just bring you guys here. Or here. Maybe here. Para makita nyo kung paano ako naglalaro, guys. Like, is this the gallery? Wait, may nag-chat. Okay, online na daw yung friend ko, but wait lang po. Medyo patutok lang. Tawag ko dito is medyo patutok. I'm here at the UP town and I don't know where should I go, guys. My anxiety is killing me. This is my first time doing a solo date. Is this a solo date? But yes, this is my first time doing solo date. I'm just finding a spot where I can do quick story time. Okay guys, nasa dulo na ako and alam ko wala nang spot doon. Nasa gitna lang talaga and sobrang init pa and maraming tao sa spot. I don't think I can. My anxiety is killing me, bro. So hi guys, I just got my food. Look where I am right now. This is the problem of having a solo date. Anyways, I just got my salad stop and here I got the honey lemon iced tea from Pickup Coffee. And yes, I'm gonna eat here. Nandito ko sa gitna ng UP Town Center and then nasa bandang hagdan lang ako sa tapat ng Watsons kasi alam niyo ba guys, kanina pagdating ko dito, namomroblema ako anong kakainin ko. Kasi hindi pa ako kumakain guys. Any food, wala pa ay meron na tinapay kaninang morning. And wala pa akong kinakain until now. So yun yung problema ko, anong kakainin ko. And nung nakabili na ako ng lahat ng pagkain, like pagkain secured na, hindi ko naman alam saan ako kakain. Buti na lang, medyo kinakaya na ng hiya ko dito guys. But still, everyone is still looking at me like, bro, I'm so shy. I'm so embarrassed right now. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Ginusto natin to. Let's see. Dapat sa ano na ako kakain eh. UP Diliman. Kaso nagbago yung isip ko. So, anyways, you guys enjoying the view. Parang maganda naman yung view dito, di ba? Nasa tamang angle lang. Char! So anyways, inom na tayo. Sobrang nauhaw na ako. Ay, by the way guys, inom muna ako ng water kasi kanina pa ako walang ininom na tubig. Baka acidin ako guys. Anyway guys, di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag nakahanap, oh my god, sorry sa dahon, pero kasi malapit siya sa plants and super mahangin dito. But anyways, ayun nga, sabi ko earlier, makakahanap ako ng space. Ikakwento ko sa inyo yung mga nangyari sa may prior agenda ko. Wait lang, i-move ko. So, ayun nga guys, diba sabi ko, pag nakahanap ako ng place, kukwento ko sa inyo yung mga nangyari sa my prior agenda. And yes, kanina, my prior agenda is to have my braces adjust. And nagpa-adjust naman ako. Medyo natagalan ako doon kasi madaming customer and nagkaroon din ng cleaning. Sorry talaga sa dahon guys, but anyways, nagkaroon ng cleaning sa teeth ko. And then, yun nga, nilagyan ako ng elastic rubber. So, medyo mahabang diskusyonan paano ko siya gagawin and such. Kaya medyo natagalan ako doon. And after ko doon, pumunta naman ako sa office. ng scholarship ko para ipasa yung mga paper or requirements na kailangan kong ipasa. And ngayon, nandito ako sa UP Town Center. And kakain ako dito. And after this, I'll go to UP Diliman and doon na rin ako sasakay pa uwi. So I'll just enjoy my food kasi wala pa talaga akong kain. And then, I'll taste this. Sarap guys. So refreshing. This is only 89 pesos. And it's so sarap. So I'm just gonna eat my salad stuff guys. Wala pa talaga akong kain simula kanina. Oh my god, I miss eating salad stuff. Like, sino bang may ayaw ng salad stuff? This is also my favorite sauce. Oh my gosh. So I'm here at Uniqlo guys to find the pants I wanted to buy for so long.
Ito medyo casual na pang go to go. Yan ang medyo pang office wear. Paano mas magagamit mo? Kasi malito mo sa office.
Good evening, ma'am. Paper
Ain't no way. Sabi ko titingin lang ako sa Uniqlo but then may dala na akong paper bag. Uwi na tayo guys. Hi guys, so I just got home from school and I just do a mini grocery I guess. Yes, it's mini grocery from SM Supermarket. Grabe, sobrang init recently guys. Like kung ano yung nilamig nung nakaraan, ganyan naman yung sobrang init. So I just got outside. This is the reason kung bakit ako nakapag mini grocery because of this. Kasi sobrang bihira lang magka-stock ng outside sa SM. So nung nakita ko may outsides, sabi ko bibili ako. Kaya meron akong outside. Dalawa na yung binili ko guys kasi mabilis lang siya maubos sa akin. And sinabay ko na rin yung ingredients for my buldak. I got this Japanese mayo and water. The buldak. First time ko lang din makitang may stock ng buldak sa supermarket. Kaya bumili na rin ako. I bought two. Actually, more expensive siya ng mga 20 pesos kapag bibili ka sa mga local stores. And last but not the least is the luncheon meat from Lotte. Yun lang naman yung mga napag-groceryhan ko ngayon. So my plan is just to keep this, syempre, and then after is make my own coffee because I have my outside. And then siguro mini haul din ng mga nabili ko online and whatsoever. Kaya papalit muna ako na naman. So hi guys, I decided not to make my coffee muna and unpack ko muna itong mga nabili ko online. And yes, mag-mini haul muna tayo. So first, ito pala muna guys. Ito yung pinaka-impulsive thing na nabili ko sa school. Kasi tapos na, graduate na ako sa mga online, sa mga K-pop merch. And yet, nabudol ako ng album. This is from Panday Sal PH. And meron silang stall or like booth dun sa school namin. And then, napabili ako guys kasi last stock na siya and super mura niya lang for me. Kaya napabili ako. By the way, this is Jonghan X Wonho first single album, This Man. And ayun, nabudol ako guys. Diba? And actually worth the budol naman din. Kasi guys, binigyan niya ako freebie si Jonghan. By the way, my bias is Jonghan. And then, ang napul ko is si Jonghan. So, I consider it as good budol, I guess. This is the unit PC and I got Jonghan. So, kaya I think it's worth it naman siguro. After a long time, guys, of unpacking, unboxing, ngayon na lang ulit. And I think the spark, the kilig, the tense is still here. And yes, I got this. Super impulsive kasi hindi na talaga ako nagko-collect, guys. Graduate na ako sa collection. And this one, oh my god. And also, I got this mini Shopee. This is the mesh pouch. This is mesh pouch. Mesh pouch from Shopee. Ooh, may strap. Parang hindi ko alam na may strap, pero alam ko parang may strap. And it's purple, guys. So, hi guys! I just finished making my own coffee and sobrang init sa labas, guys. Kahit yung aircon ang tagal lumamig. Anyways, if you haven't tried this coffee yet, you should try it, guys. Sobrang sarap talaga. Like, it's so good. And kakain lang din ako ng meal ko, guys, for today. And then, manonood ako ng vlog. And after that, siguro lilinisin ko tong table ko. Sorry sa background noise, pero yes. Lilinisin ko tong table ko kasi sobrang messy. Nandito pa yung mga in-unpack ko and may i-unpack pa ako. And then, my notes and such, my stationaries and such. Lilinisin ko siya mamaya siguro. Yes, after ko kumain, lilinisin ko siya. And then, yun lang. Let's see. Hi guys, so I just finished cleaning my table. I know this is not the best and the cleanliness. Hindi ito yung pinakamalinis na table, pero at least malinis yung table ko. Hindi ko pa kasi siya totally malinis, makapag-declutter or whatsoever ng mga gamit kasi hindi ko rin alam kung saan sila ilalagay. And nag-i-start pa lang din ako bumili ng mga organizer ko for the stuffs na hindi ko naman totally ginagamit na nandito sa aking study table. So, ayun. Ito lang muna yung so far sa tingin ko yung best na magagawa ko for my table. And dumating na naman yung mga orders ko. So let's unpack this. This is my most awaited order. This is, by the way, microphone from TNW. So let's test how this mic will work. So this is the microphone. This is from TNW Wireless Lavalier. Anyways, this is the microphone. Tagal ko tong hinintay and tagal ko rin siyang pinag-isipan kung bibilihin. Kasi I was thinking of buying the expensive one or should I make tipid and buy the cheaper one muna. and invest for the cheaper one muna. Pero I know you guys will tell me na mag-i-invest ka, dun ka na sa medyo mahal or may kamahalan and sure ka na quality. Pero guys, nagtitipid kasi ako, yun talaga yun. So, ito na siya. This is the microphone. What I like about this is meron na siyang dalawang type of receiver. This is for the iPhone and Type-C. And this is the microphone. Isa lang yung in-order ko kasi isa lang naman yung kailangan ko. And meron na rin siyang wind camera. And nandito siya as far as I know. Wait, tanggalin ko muna, no? Kunin ko muna yung microphone. And ita-test din natin siya, guys. What it sounds like with and without the microphone. So, ito yung ano niya. Let's put it. Should I? Oh my god. So, paano ko to ilalagay, guys? Ganyan, and then ganito ba? Oh my god, paano to, guys? Hindi ko to alam. Hello. The mic test. So, this is the sound quality. If my mic... Ang ganda ng receiver niya, guys, kasi pwede sa iPhone, which is my phone. And kapag nagka-camera ka, di ba, usually ang camera is Type-C. So, mayroon din siyang Type-C. Kaya ito yung gusto ko dito, guys. And this is the mic quality. And pinag-aaralan ko pa, iniisip ko pa kung paano ko to ilalagay. Pero this is the mic quality without this one. And what you guys think? So, hi guys! Finally, nakabit ko na siya. And sobrang hirap niya ikabit. Kasi rubber siya. Like, parang siyang loom bands, ganun. Parang siyang rubber ng, ng ipin ko. Anyways, nakabit ko na siya, guys. And this is the quality of the mic with this. I forgot kung anong tawag dito. Pero, yes, I think this one is much better. I don't know yet. Pero ito yung quality ng mic ko kapag mayroon siyang ganito. What you guys think? So, since nabuksan na rin naman natin na tong microphone, why not gamitin na rin natin siya and unpack this one. I think this one is my book for my new subject. And let's try to clip it here. Kung maganda pa rin yung audio niya, kahit naka-clip siya dyan. So, anyways, my voice is not that loud. Let's see if na-absorb niya pa rin yung voice ko kahit hindi siya sobrang lakas. So, let's unpack this. This one is my book, I think, for my new subject. Yep. This is book. So, alam nyo naman na yan, guys, sa ating course. New SEM, new subjects, new books talaga. Kaya, dapat talaga nagsisave tayo ng money dahil kailangan natin mag-invest for our books. Though, meron din namang mga available online. May mga PDF ng books online, which you can also check out. Check it out. Pero, ayun. So, this is the book I ordered. Oh. This is The Law on Sales, Agency, and Credit Transactions by Hector De Leon. So, yep. Wala pa akong nabibiling plastic cover. I guess bibili ako para ma-plastic coveran natin ito. So, this is my book for our subject this term. Alam niyo ba guys, so far, my favorite author ng law, sa law namin sa RFBT, so far, ang favorite author ko is si De Leon. Maybe because sobrang nipis, like this, ang nipis lang ng book, kumpara kay Domingo. I don't know guys, hindi bookworm, parang mas effective kapag nakikita kong manipis lang yung book. Parang mas nagaganahan ako magbasa kasi sobrang nipis lang niya, hindi ako na-overwhelm and such. Kaya, so far, favorite author ko si De Leon. So, this one, tatabi ko lang din muna siya and then bibili ako ng plastic cover para ma-coveran natin siya. I hope you guys could hear me kasi nandito yung mic ko and let's see if very effective talaga siya. By the way guys, this is worth less than 500 pesos if you guys gonna buy it. And based on the quality, kung ano yung naririnig nyo, ayun siya. So, what you guys think? Is it good or not good? Anyways, yun lang guys.